personality you are inspired by, or describe anything. So you have to speak for 2 minutes on that topic, on that particular topic, covering these 3 or 4 mini points given here. For example, they ask you, describe a place you have lived in and you particularly liked it. Okay, and the mini questions are given here: where you lived, or when you lived, and who you lived with, and what was particular about that particular place. So what you have to do, you actually have to describe that place, but covering these 3 or 4 mini questions: when and where you lived, who you lived with, and what was most memorable about that particular place, and all such things. So you have 2 minutes to describe this place, and that is called individual long term, where you have to speak individually. It is your turn to speak individually for a long time, like for 2 minutes. Clear? And this is why this part of speaking is named as individual long term. And then comes two-way discussion, the third part of speaking. In this two-way discussion, you will be asked some more abstract sort of questions upon the topic which you have already described or which you have already spoken about here in this part 2. Okay? So related to this part 2 topic, they will ask you the questions. And they will be more sort of abstract questions which you need to answer in detail. Clear? And we will go through all these things one by one when we start speaking. And I'll take you through all these 3 points, all these 3 stages of speaking, and I'll explain you that how you have to actually go for that and how you can cope up with each part of the speaking here.